Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? I hope very well. All right. So, guys, today I'm gonna show for you another tool that I have developed to where the idea here is you check the reputation of more than 50, 100, 200, 1000 IPs, the reputation of these IPs in less than 5, 10 minutes. Okay, so come on. Here, guys, this script that I have developed is very simple. And now let's do the practice. Okay, I'm gonna show for you how you can just simple execute, run this script and get the reputation of these IPs. Okay, and now what I need to do is access the path where is your script saved. Okay, so I already know where is the mine. Okay, so I am accessing the path. Okay, it's like this. I guess I have some files on check. Okay, so yeah, no worries. Remove. Oh, remove E10 and check. Okay, and boom, there is nothing there. All right, perfect. First, what I need to get is the list of IPs, and this is what I'm going to show for you now. I have these IPs. I use cat here. I can use other tools, but I want to be simple here. Okay, I have these IPs here. I guess is 100 IPs that I have saved. Okay, I'm just opening here Excel, and now this first line I will keep this in blank. Okay, this is important, guys. Why? I'm gonna show for you in seconds. Check this out. So this script that I want to execute is this checklist IP. I'm gonna show for you the reason that I have check IP list. Okay, and had because I just want to show, I guess, the seventh first line. Okay, this is the reason I'm using this operator, just to show for you the logic of our software. All right, so the first most important, you need to get your abuse IPDB API key and put it here. Okay, if you use VS Code, Notepad, etc., it just doesn't matter. You just need to put your API key from AbuseIPDB. Okay. After this is what I want to show for you is this column, IP column that I have created is variable to identify where is the IPs column. Okay, I need to set this on my file. It's not case sensitive, so it doesn't matter if it is if it is IP like uppercase, lowercase, etc. Okay, you just need to put here, or if it is IPs, it doesn't matter. You just need to put it here. Okay, type this here in the first line. Remember this. Okay, and as you can see here, I have configured this. Okay, if the script doesn't find the IP column, you will get this error. Okay, so now column contain IP found in the CSV file. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I already have this list here where I will save it. Okay, I'm saving on a path. Oh man, browse. Okay, and codes. I'm gonna do like this and check IP, and the name, it doesn't matter. You can put what you want. Okay, you just need to remember to save this like at CSV. Okay, I already saved the file, and now I'm gonna run the script. It's the check. Okay, on my case is this one because I have my API key configured there. And now I'm just running the file, the script, and as you can see, I have here the version, I have here some features of the script. And as you can see, I have type in here that you need to put the IP in the header of the column there. Okay, you must need to type this. All right, so an example here, IP, we already have configured this. So as you can see, I have here, I have selected the file, and now I need to, okay, I'm checking my recording. Okay, you just need to select the file, the folder to save the export that the results. Okay, and the name doesn't matter. Okay, you can put like what you want, but I have configured this to put the name like this, checklist IP results, and the date and the time. Okay, and already configured to CSV, and you can save this and it will run the script. As you can see, it's very fast. I guess it's more than 3 IPs per second, more than 3 IPs per second. Okay, so you are seeing the bar loading, and now we have the result. So check completed successfully. So we have 100 IPs checked, less, so ellipse at time, so we spent less than 20 seconds to check the reputation of 100 IPs. So guys, this is really good for us. Okay, so the average speed, we have 5 IPs per second. So if you do the math, so okay, so let's double check if this is true. So I put like just 5. Okay, so yes, 20 seconds. So this means if I want to consult check the reputation of 1000 IPs and I divide this for 5, oh my god, I will spend 200 seconds. If I divide this to 6 seconds, I want to check the minutes. Okay, I have more than 3 minutes, 3 minutes and a half. Okay, so 3 minutes and 33 seconds. That is awesome. So let's open this file here and let's just to edit this and understand what we got. Okay, I'm opening the file. Amazing guys. So now I guess for you, let me give a zoom in. Okay, so now as you can see, I use a CSV file and I have configured this. I want to split these columns. Okay, so I will test two columns, delimited in Excel, next and a comma here. Okay, amazing, and boom, this is what we have. Let me show for you. And now we're going to edit this file too, okay, for a better view. So let me put like this. Okay, amazing. It's good for you? Yes, you can see me well. Boom. So okay. And as you can see, the columns that we got is all the IPs that I have checked. Okay, so we have 100 IPs. The Abuse confidence score, we can double check this on AbuseIPDB official website. Okay, I'm gonna show for you with the status, the country, domain, the usage type, total reports, and if we got some error. Okay, and now I just want to improve this using Excel, and I'm gonna do like this. Okay, amazing. And now I want to edit because I want to have a better view. This is not of the script, is your own knowledge. Okay, where I use in Excel, where I want to put line by line in red or green. It depends of the status. Okay, so here I'm gonna create my conditional formatting. I need to select these columns. All right, so I can put like this. Let me drag here, format, conditional formatting, new rule, I use a format to determine which cells to format. Okay, so I put this, oh sorry, this one. I want to lock only the column, not the line, only the column, where is equal reliable. What I want to have here is all the line I want to fill here in green. Okay, so boom, this is what you are able to view. Is so much better when you do this. And I want to have the opposite. Started the same. I want to lock the column, not the line, just the column. So suspicious, where I have suspicious. Oh my god. Okay, so where I have suspicious, let me create. I don't have okay. I want to put in red like this one. Okay, and boom. So now when this change for this, okay, it's better. You don't need to edit line by line. So okay, oh my god, that is the one. Now I just want to have to double check the total. Okay, let me put it like total, and I want to count all the IPs. Boom, what I have here, amazing, amazing. And now I want to have the count of suspicious and reliable. Okay, and what we use here is the countif. Okay, this is the range, and the file is reliable. Oh, the criteria, all right. 55, and here is the same, so I just need to copy here. Okay, do you need more zoom? It's better now. Okay guys, let me put like this. Okay, so you just need to copy here and edit the criteria. Oh my god, how can I pronounce this? Sorry. And now is unsuspicious. I know in Portuguese I'm so much better to explain. Okay, so that's it. But I guess you are able to understand what I'm saying. And okay, amazing. And now this is the proof that is working perfectly. Okay, let me change it here, and oh, let me put like this. What is this, guys? Reliable, and here is suspicious. Okay, let me change the column, the color of this column. Boom, like this one, and boom, like this one. And guys, this is how it works. And you can double check. I'm gonna show. I open for you here, and just to double check. Okay, I will copy this IP here, and I will open AbuseIPDB. Okay, and amazing. Let me put like this. Let me drag here. Oh, okay. As you can see, the abuse confidence is 53. Okay, this is what we have here, and we have like here is suspicious, as we are able to view here. Okay, we have, okay, it's from France, as you can see, is everything matching. Okay, and the domain, as you can see, is this one, so it's worked perfectly. I want to check another one. Let me check this. I guess it's from Microsoft, or am I wrong? Oh yes, so I know the range of IPs, some of them. And here, as you can see, the abuse confidence is 17%, as you are able to view there. And this is the line. Okay, is from Netherlands, as you can see. So Microsoft, as you can see, Microsoft data center, and as you can see, that is the one. So guys, that is how the script works. So here we have the timing that we spent to consult all these IPs. So almost more than 5 IPs per second. So this can be very useful for you if you are doing a hunting, if you have a list of IPs you want just to check. Okay, so the limitation is from your, sure, it's from your, it depends of your API key, if you of your plan. Okay, so if usually when it's for free, you can consult check 1000 IPs in in a range of 24 hours. Okay, so but it's very useful, and that is the one, guys. So I appreciate the time, and have a great, ladies and gentlemen, have a great, amazing, awesome day and week. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, ladies and gentlemen.